Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all things scents. I'm going to be talking about my Zara fragrances, what I just got, and also towards the end, I will be sharing with you guys candles that I bought from the IKEA slash Byredo collaboration. I was only able to get two of the candles, and I'm still on the hunt for another one, the tobacco something something. I'm still on the hunt for it, but if you wanted to watch this video, please continue watching. All right, welcome. So I'm gonna go straight into it. The Zara fragrance that I got that I'm super excited about is this Lightly Bloom and the Deep Garden. They were a duo and I got them. They're 1 ounces, $13.90. So very super inexpensive. I think they could be a great gift for a friend's birthday or like a teenager because they're super light. They're not very heavy. The Lightly Bloom the box says, "I'm delicious and tender." Yes, you are. And the Deep Garden is I'm the first notes of spring. So that kind of gives an idea of what the scents are supposed to be doing. They are giving what they're supposed to give. It's giving. Anyways, I get distracted easily. The notes for the Lightly Bloom is lotus, flower, peony, and musk. Makes total sense. It's super airy, very floral, but on the light side of things. And then for the Deep Garden, the notes are, that was unexpected, pear, tuberose, and tonka bean. Tuberose is kind of a new note to me. I've been kind of, like influenced greatly, let's say, by people on the internet that talk about tuberose quite a bit. So I will let you guys know what I mean by that in the next one. But these two are gonna be kind of my go-to for summer scents, just because they're easy, they're not pretentious, they're light, airy, they stay on really well too. So I put it on from it. So it gave me at least a good 4-hour staying power. It stayed on longer than that, but I kind of went to bed. So I don't know. But yeah, it stays on really well. It has at least a good 4 hours staying power. So it's a great buy. It's eau de parfum. It's pretty good quality for the price point you're getting. The next one I want to show you guys are the tuberose scents. So like I said, tuberose is kind of a new note to me. So I had no idea that one of the scents that I already bought already had tuberose in it, but I wanted something that said like, hey, I have tuberose, just to kind of get myself into it more. At least to get to know it more. This is my favorite out of this two. I like the summer tuberose. It's just lighter, it's more sophisticated, it's just, it's giving what it needs to give, okay? And I'm spraying it. I really love this summer one. Super sophisticated, very soft, very pretty. I'll read off the notes on here. It says blackcurrant, vanilla, tuberose. The original one is just a little bit, just a tiny bit heavier than I prefer. There's nothing wrong with it. You probably would like it if you like, you're like a more like a stronger scent. You probably like it. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's just not something that I'm gravitating towards right now. The other one I wanted to show you guys is Rose Gourmand. This is a really popular one. A lot of influencers talk about it. It has this really gorgeous bottle. You can barely see it because the light is reflecting so hard. But I didn't like this one as much. It has like a ton of roses in it, and the rose in here is so obnoxious. and it does dry down to be more on the sweeter side. Some days I like it, like it works, you know, for my body chemistry, but most days I'm not really reaching out for it. But rose gourmand is really popular. If you love roses, there's nothing wrong with this. If you love roses, you probably will love this scent. But I'm probably going to be selling it on my Poshmark, so if it's really hard to find, like right now I just looked it up on Zara website and I could not find it. It's $25.90. I will probably be selling it for a little bit more, just because Poshmark charges about $7 for shipping. So for my Poshmark, you probably be paying a little bit more. But if you let me know that you're watching my video and that's how you got to know about it, I can probably, you know, we could work out a deal, right? Honorable mentions. My favorite still is the Woman Rose Gold by Zara. It's light, it's giving what it needs to give. I absolutely love it. You can see that I'm almost done with it. I love the bottle, but more importantly, I love the scent. The Bois Soleil is the like right next to it. This is a little bit on the heavier side, but it's heavier on with the right notes. It gives really a lot of rich anti vibes. So if you like heavier scents, you're probably gonna like it. But I really like it just because it's pretty. It's, you know, it dries down really nice. What else? Oh, the candles. Candles. Byredo candles. These are the two candles that I was able to get. I think one is cypress and fig and the other is something. I can't remember, but I'll put it on the, you know, I got the little one. It's super cute, but I really like this big one. It has a cover. The little one doesn't have a cover, but the big one has this like really pretty candle holder cover. It's really nice. And it smells so good, so good. Yes, I love the fact that it comes with this ceramic jar, because you can use the jar for anything. So it's kind of nice, like how you get something else out of it. But it's really nice and heavy. It's super cute. Anyways, if you are still watching the video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Like, leave me a comment, let me know if you guys have any questions about any of the scents that I featured. If I forgot anything, just let me know. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Hi you guys. I know I already said goodbye, but I thought I should share what I used on my makeup for this video. Let me know if you guys like me sharing what makeup I use. I use this Urban Decay palette. I think it's the Born to Run palette. I mainly used Hell Ride. That was my main color. And then in my lower tear duct, I used Wild Heart. And to blend things out, I did use Stranded a tiny bit, just to kind of blend the heart. Wait, I used Baja. Oh my god, I used Baja, the orange, matte orange shadow, and Stranded as a highlighter. Yeah, I got this as a gratis when I was working at the stores, and I never really embrace this palette. I loved the packaging. It's so pretty, but I didn't even really dig into it as much as I'm digging into it now. So I love Born to Run by Urban Decay. I did pop a little bit of this kind of crazy loud chic color from MAC, the Pro Store. I popped a little bit of it just because I popped it on my eye, and just to bring out that burgundy a little bit more, to make it, be a little loud, because I felt like once I blended in, Hell Ride. Once I blended it in, my skin just seems to absorb a ton of like the color. So anyways, that's my eyes. I did my brows with my Sephora. If you've not seen that video, I showcased, I think April favorites is Skinny Brow Pencil by Sephora. Love it. Still loving it. For my lips though, I did Grunge by Colourpop. I kind of lost the cover here. Grunge, it's a matte, you know. I did that in the outer perimeter on my lips, so I used that as a almost like a lip liner, but not really. So just a lighter brown, and then in the corners of my lip, I use Carvia as a lip liner in the corners of my lip, and then in the center, I used Pure Zen. It's a MAC lipstick. It's crimson, so it's super hydrating. I did that in the center of my lip, blended it in slightly, ever so slightly, and then I did this Sigma lip gloss. Sigma lip gloss in Get Ready Lip Vex. It's stunning. It's kind of crazy because it is super shimmery, like uber duper, like crazy shimmer. But I like it as a topper. I just kind of use it in the center, in the middle of my lip, and it really makes the whole lip combo pop. Anyways, thank you so much. If you're still watching, I appreciate you. If you guys like, I could do a giveaway of some of a fragrance also. So I'm trying to get into to get 100 subscribers. So if you guys share my video, if you leave me a comment like, hey Kemi, you're doing a good job, or hey, love the video, leave me a comment, or press the like button, or do all three of them and let me know. Just send me a DM that you just, you know, let me a comment on my Instagram, leave me a DM on my Instagram. Let me know which of the fragrances you would like. I can send it out to you guys, you know. So just the person that lives, I don't know if it's lives the most comments we should do, or shares my video with the most people. So if you are a person that's able to get somebody, like a bunch of your friends, to leave a comment, maybe that's how we could go about it. I don't know. Do you guys have ideas of how I could do it? Because I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers and I need help. I need you guys to help me out. So if you're watching this and you've not subscribed, please, I beg, go ahead and subscribe. If you enjoy this and you know people that might possibly enjoy it, please share the video. If you get, you know, maybe 3 or more people to leave a comment on this video and subscribe and like the video, just let me know. Just DM me on Instagram and I will ship one of these fragrances out to you. Okay? All right. Thank you so much, you guys. Have a good day. Love you.